gente, what's up, it's Shay and I'm back with another video. And today's video is a little different. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my press-on nails and how I made them look cute. They low-key says they look like acrylics to me. I don't know. They're not the most perfect nails. So again, I'm not a professional or anything. I just wanted to do my nails. So right here you see me taking this little drill that I got from Target. Everything will be linked down below. This drill, I mean, it's not the best, but it gets the job done. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking it and putting it on my cuticles, and then I'm passing it over my nail to rough up the nails or whatever. And it does remove the cuticles somewhat, but you know, you gotta go back and forth on it a lot. So right here you see me taking my nail file and removing the shine off my nails. I just do that, and then I go ahead and take the buffing block and I pass it on there too. And right here, you see me taking my acetone, and I'm using this as a dehydrator. Yeah, it works. You don't need to go out and buy a dehydrator, to me, in my opinion. You don't need to. I just take my acetone and it dries up my nails. These are the falsies that I'm going to be using. Now, child, when I tell y'all this is good quality, I love these nails. I've only used them on myself. I think now this is my third time. And I used them on someone else twice. So this is my fifth time using them. And they last a long time. They don't snap or break or anything like that. They're really, really good. And I've done my nails like a long, like the length that they are. And they didn't snag off or anything. This glue, child, the glue, oh, that glue is strong. I've honestly, I think it's crazy glue, because that thing is strong. So anyways, child, right now you see me getting my nails, and I'm matching them, making sure that everything, the nails go from side to side of my nails, and making sure it's covering. You'll see me later on taking my nail file and filing a nail so that it can fit better on my nail. So yeah, if you don't find a nail that fits you super perfect, just take a nail that's a little bit bigger and just file the side like I'm doing here. Oh god, I'm so bad at showing things, but I'm just filing the side and making sure it fits on my nail perfectly. So yeah, that's an alternative. If you can't find a nail that fits you super perfect, you can just take your nail file the sides off a little bit, try it out on your nail, and then if it still doesn't fit, file a little bit more and then try it there, and it'll fit perfectly, trust me. So I was showing you guys, some people put the glue directly on their finger, but I like putting the glue on the nail and then taking the nail, putting it on my cuticle, and then pressing it down. So I go down from the cuticle and then I just push it down. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, just take the glue, put it on the nail, get it to the cuticle, and then from there slowly push it down on my finger. And since this glue is like super strong, y'all see I'm not putting this nail on my nail for long. It, like, literally you put it on and that's it, it's stuck, and it's stuck there for the longest I've had these nails on was about 3 weeks. And that's because I was bored and I wanted to take them off. They were still on. Like, I'm telling you guys, this glue is super strong. Again, it'll be linked down below. I got this from Amazon. So right now you see me taking my nail cutters and just cutting the nail to the size that I want it to be. Again, if you want it long like this, you can. But I wanted a shorter nail for now. I don't know. I just wanted short nails. But yeah, that's just what I'm doing. You just cut the nails to your desired length, and then you'll see me taking my file and filing it down to perfect the shape. Alrighty, so here you see me filing the sides. You don't have to, because these nails are already pre-shaped into like that coffin shape, but I like my nails sharp. Like, I like the corners super super sharp, so that's what you see me doing there, just filing the sides, just to make sure everything is like super sharp. I don't know why, I just feel like sharp nails are fresher nails for some reason. I don't know. Child, I know my fingers look ashy. Don't mind that. That's just from the dust and everything. So you see me here taking the nail file and like filing it like up and down. I feel like that gets me the perfect like straight line. I don't know where I saw that on YouTube, but I think it was on Long Hair Pretty Nails channel, Evie. I think I saw her doing that. I'm not sure, but like ever since I saw that, child, I've been doing that all the time. Yeah, I just feel like it's just better. Here you see me switching out nail files because that other one was pissing me off, child. But yeah, I'm just doing the same thing that I was doing on the other nails, just filing it, making sure everything is sharp and straight. So yeah.
Little.
Okay, honey, so now you see me bring out that drill again. So what I was trying to do was I was trying to take the glue, like if there was any excess glue. There wasn't, but I was just showing you guys, if you did have excess glue, you could take the drill and like drill it down from the surface of the nail. Again, the drill isn't the best, so it didn't do much, but it did something. I'm not gonna knock the drill down, but yeah, it did do something. So I was just drilling it, seeing if I, had any excess glue, and I was just taking it off. I only show one hand because, or else this video would have been like 50 minutes long. But everything I do to this hand, I did to the other. So now you see me taking my nail file again, and now I'm just removing the shine off the press-on nails. So yeah, I just do this, and then I take the buffing black and I buff it out to make it smoother so there won't be any scratches. I feel like by doing this, it takes the gel polish just like applies so much better. Yeah, I just feel like it's just cuter that way. I haven't just applied nail polish on. I've always done this. So I don't know if it was thick or not, or if it would be like better. But yeah, I watch a lot of nail techs on YouTube, and they always do this on their nails. So I did that. So here you see me taking the buffing black and just buffing the nail so there won't be any scratches or any marks on it. Yeah. And then now these are the nail colors that I'm going to be using. And then that's the nail polish that I'm using also. I'm not a pink girl, so don't ask me why I'm putting pink nail polish on. But I saw it. I was like, I guess. And I just put it on. But, I mean, they're cute. I like them. But, I'm just not a pinky girl. So, yeah, just right now I'm putting on the base coat. and then I go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Alrighty, and now I'm taking the actual nail polish. I know y'all see my little nail polish on my cuticles. Child, again, I'm not a professional. I've only been doing my nails, this is like the third time. So yeah, I should have gotten like a little brush and put alcohol on like the excess nail polish that came off, but I was kind of in a rush and I just wanted to do this. So yeah, as you can see, like, this is just the first coat, and you see how bright this color is. Honestly, I was impressed. I needed to do 2 coats of it. Yeah, I did 2 coats, and even for the glitter nail, I only did 2 coats, and it's very, very opaque. So that's a plus on this nail polish. Some nail polishes, even when like they're this color, you have to do like 4 or 5 passes on it just so you can actually see the color. But no, this one is super opaque, and I went ahead and did that twice, and cured it for 30 seconds. Here you see me complaining because I forgot to put top coat on and I have lint. Yeah. And I know y'all see that little piece of nail polish in the corner that came off. So yeah, love that for me. But I just went ahead and painted it again, removed the lint and then painted it again. And then once that cured, I put top coat back on there. And I cured my top coat on for 60 seconds in the nail lamp.
Ryan Little.
Alrighty, honey, so this is my results. I really like them. I love these nails. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.